Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to remove and clean the detergent dryer on Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung Bespoke AI front load washing machine model, but these steps could be applicable for other models too. We all use our washing machine to clean our clothes, but we should also clean our washing machine and its parts regularly. If we ignore this, it will become a big mess in the future, which becomes difficult to clean later. There are different parts on our washing machine to clean. We will cover them one by one. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. In this video, we will see how to remove the detergent dryer or the dispenser on our front load washing machine and clean that. Our washing machine is a new one, so we won't find that much of dirt inside. So let's first switch off the washing machine and start the process. By default, when we try to remove the detergent dryer, we won't be able to do that. It will be locked inside. Though it is not a very strong lock, it is still holding this perfectly. So to remove this, we have to press and hold this section. We have to press and hold this. Then we have to slowly take this out. That's all. You can see the lock here. If we press this, it will go a bit down. Then we can easily take this out. If we want to add this back, we just have to insert it like this and slowly push this. It will be locked. So again, if we want to remove this, just press and hold this and take this out. That's all. Now we can separate the parts here. We can remove the liquid detergent guide and also we can remove this detergent door. We just have to press this and push this like this. Do it on the other side too. Press this and push this a bit and we can remove it. And finally we can also remove the fabric softener blue compartment. We just have to do like this. Just put a little bit of pressure and take this out. That's all. We have to do this carefully. Just put some pressure like this and we can remove that part. So as you can see, we have some detergent dirt here. So we will start to wash this now. Samsung says we can use our dishwasher to wash this, but they don't recommend using dishwasher to dry this though. But depending on how dirty it is, we can simply wash this using plain water and a soft brush. We can also add some mild detergent or hand wash to slowly clean all the areas. Then we can use a soft towel to dry this completely, or we can keep all the parts under a fan. Once it is completely dry, we can insert it back. We just have to clean this very slowly. We can use a soft brush like this and just start to clean it. So once all these get completely dry, we can reinsert the parts. So we have to do it like this. Just attach this slowly. That's all. Then we have to attach this part. We have to take it like this and we have to insert it like this. We have to insert this inside these two holes. Just do it like this and push this slowly. That's all. We can see the locks here, this one and this one. So finally, we can add the liquid detergent guide like this. So yeah, that's all. But before inserting this back, we have to check inside the detergent dryer area too. It could be filled with some detergent dirt. Since our model is just a month old, it looks clean inside. But if we have any dirt inside, we can use a soft brush or a towel to clean this area completely. We can wait it is completely dry and then we can reinsert the detergent dryer like this. That's all. These are the steps to remove and clean the detergent dryer on Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.